talk about backing up information in SOLIDWORKS Electrical. SOLIDWORKS Electrical uses a SQL database to manage information. This means that as you modify content, it is instantly updated in real time. However, because it's instantly updated, that means that you don't really have the ability to go back and access previously entered content. For this reason, it is highly recommended to back up your information on a recurring basis. And now you can go to any one of your libraries and actually archive information. So let's say if I go to my manufacturer parts, I can select all the connectors that I have, or my connector category, and I can archive all the connectors that I would have in my database. I could actually go to my file and go to Project Manager and archive an entire project as well. By doing so, this allows me to capture all of my geometry, all of the manufacturer information, and any configurations that I've added to that project. Well, this is just specific to that project, and that's only going to be the information that's captured. Archive My Environment will actually capture everything in all of my databases. So right now you'll see all the different databases that SOLIDWORKS Electrical has right now, and that is being managed by SQL. Well, if you look, there's a number beside each category, and this tells me how many different areas or items are in those categories. So right now I have 60 different projects. I have a little over 4,000 symbols and a little over 80 title blocks. So the ones that I leave checked on are the ones that are actually going to be backed up. If I don't want them backed up, I simply just uncheck them. I can also just select all objects, which will just include everything. You see, it doesn't give me the ability to select which ones I want to back up or not. I can also choose to just back up information that I have modified at some point in time, or just the ones that I've modified since a certain period of time. A new feature added to 2015 is this reminder here. So with this reminder button checked on, I could actually have the tool remind me when to back up my information. Once I've selected the areas that I want to back up, it'll now take me through a wizard of determining which information inside those categories I actually want to include. So you see now here in my projects, I can see all the different projects that I have, and I can determine whether I want to add it or if I want to do nothing, meaning I don't want to back it up. So I can get very specific about the content that's inside my different categories and which I want to keep or back up. And this will simply take me through all the different databases within SOLIDWORKS Electrical. However, if I'm sure that I'm just going to keep everything, I can simply just click through and then hit finish, and it'll go ahead and archive all that information for me. Once this information has been backed up, it'll create a file for me somewhere, and I can save it either on an external hard drive or a flash drive, or maybe put it on my server. Once I've set that reminder, when I go to open up SOLIDWORKS Electrical, you'll see it'll prompt me to tell me that I'm past the amount of days that I've asked it to remind me to archive my environment. I hope this has been helpful. My name is Wayne, and until the next time.